Georgia Military College has been a long-time client of ours, and so when it came time to build their new tower, they tapped us on the shoulder to do that. I'm Michael Johnson from Signature Research. We specialize in building aerial adventure, rappel towers, zipline canopy tours, traditional challenge courses, aerial adventure parks, those types of things. Their old tower did not meet the TRADOC standards that are required in these military builds. They wanted something that was going to last them a long time and also gave them a lot more capacity. Because they wanted that longevity, steel was kind of the answer for that. We came across Panel Built and the steel work that they do. Gave them a call and started that process and worked through it, and they were happy to accept the challenge, and the rest is history. Started working with them on a design that they wanted that kind of fit all their needs with what they call the bunny slopes, which are the side pieces there that just wing out at a 10-foot height that is kind of a beginner, get your feet wet, get comfortable with being in the harness, being on a rope and that kind of thing. And then gave them the different vertical levels at 20 feet and at 35 feet, as well as the free rappel with better egress. So we fitted it with internal stairs and all that. This project was a unique one for Panel Built. I was excited that they rose to the challenge to take this and work with us on it. The design process of it was a whole lot of back and forth, and there were even things once we got out here and were erecting it that weren't quite like they needed to be, but Panel Built always rose to the occasion. They always made things right, worked towards solutions on making things right, and so I think that's all you can ask for in a partner on a project like this. So overall, it was just a wonderful experience, and I'm excited to have this as, you know, a tool in my tool belt as we work with clients in the future to be able to provide them with a great steel product as it comes to a rappel tower, climbing tower, or even a zipline tower or something like that could last a lot longer than maybe a typical wood structure that we would build.